Hello Pythonistas, welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today we are going to see tip calculator. In this tip calculator they have completed the main function for us and we need to do only two more functions which are dollar to float and percent to float. So first we can see what they have asked. In dollar to float they have asked us to accept an input in string format and then we need to just remove the dollar symbol and then the amount returned should be in the float format. In percent to float, what we are going to do is we are going to remove the percentage symbol and then we are going to return them in a float format. And that's it friends, let us start doing. So here what we are going to do is, so our directory name is tip here. So let us start coding. mkdir space tip. We have created a directory called as tip, so we can go inside this directory and then create a coding file for us. Inside this, now first we can copy paste the code which is already available for us so that it would be easy for us to complete the function. Yeah, so in this to do, we are going to do whatever we want in this to do part. So first we need to return a float value. Okay, so let me try to write my to do function as return, and I am going to return a float value. And what is that float value going to contain? Since d is our parameter, so it is the string which is going to have whatever we are having. So I am going to write d dot, what I need to replace, I need to replace the dollar symbol with nothing, because they have said other than that everything will be in an original format. So I will replace my dollar symbol to a just as nothing. Okay, so I have not written anything here because here if you can see they have said user will input the inputted in the expected forms. So no need to worry about the unexpected forms. So this will return the float value. Then in this percentage what we are going to do is, here also we are going to return a float value. And what is the float value? Here it is going to be p dot replace, what I am going to replace, percentage symbol to nothing. And if you can see here, it is going to be written as 15% is written as 0.15, which is nothing but into what I am going to do with this into, I am going to write 0.15, which is nothing but 0.01. So this is going to be the format which we are going to return. So with the help of these two, all the other things have already done for us. Now let us run the program and check how much was the meal cost. So let us run the use cases. Yeah. So this is going to be my meal cost. How much percent would you tip? I am going to write 15%. Yeah, so leave 0.70. Yeah, perfect, it is working fine. Next let us check with this particular thing. So I hope why have we written 0.01? Okay, because we are going to convert into percentage, which is nothing but 0.01. How much would you like to tip? 18%. Working. And let us go to the last use case, $15. Now I'm going to write Okay, I will have to click 25%. Perfect. Now let us go on with the check and see whether everything is turning into green fonts. So I guess we have made use of this replace in a very suitable manner, how many ever times we need. And yeah, so let us check our answer now. Hope we will get all the greens. Yeah, super. Now we can move on with the submit. And yeah, so this is going to mark the completion of our problem set 0, and we can move on with problem set 1 in the next video. Okay, yes, I'm going to write yes. Hope everything was clear and you had an idea of how we are going to complete our projects. Okay, then let us check our great book also so that we can say a goodbye. Yeah, so our week 0 is complete, and thank you for watching, and do subscribe to Pythonista Geek for more such videos. Bye bye.